Some bags make women look refined and powerful, while others instantly add 10 years. The difference is not about price or logos. It is about shape, proportion, and timeless design. When you carry the right bag, people notice your confidence first, and your accessories second. The wrong bag can undermine even the most expensive outfit, while the right one elevates everything you wear. These are the 7 bag styles every woman over 50 should know to look instantly elegant. Bag Style 1. The Structured Leather Tote. A slouchy, shapeless bag pulls your outfit down. A structured tote lifts it up. Clean lines signal elegance, strength, and intention. The silhouette matters more than the brand name ever will. Choose medium size so it balances your frame and never looks bulky. Smooth or pebbled leather holds its form best. Avoid heavy logos or oversized hardware that compete for attention. Colors like black, tan, and navy are versatile and timeless. Cream, burgundy, or stone can also work as elegant neutrals. A good tote carries your essentials without looking messy. The interior should be organized enough to prevent chaos, but spacious enough for daily necessities. Pair it with trousers for business, denim for weekends, or dresses for everyday polish. Even the simplest outfit looks finished when topped with a structured tote. This is the bag that proves practicality and elegance can live together. Invest in quality here, as a well-made tote can last decades and only improves with age. Bag Style 2. The Classic Top Handle. A top handle bag is the definition of timeless. It has been worn by women of style for decades, from Grace Kelly to modern icons. It frames your posture, adds structure, and communicates confidence. The vertical lines created when you carry it make you appear taller and more poised. Choose a medium size with smooth or textured leather and subtle hardware. Neutral tones like black, taupe, or navy give maximum versatility. For personality, try deep red, forest green, or ivory. The beauty of a top handle is that it works in every setting. The formality level adjusts based on how you style it and what you wear. Carry it to lunch with friends, to evening dinners, or to formal occasions. It always looks appropriate. A top handle bag tells the world that you value detail and elegance. It is the style that makes you look polished without effort. Many women find that once they own one quality top handle bag, it becomes their signature piece. Bag Style 3. The Elegant Crossbody. Crossbody bags are often thought of as casual, but when chosen well, they are polished and timeless. The key is proportion. Oversized or floppy designs overwhelm the frame. Instead, select a slim, structured crossbody that rests neatly against the body. The strap should be adjustable, so you can position it at the most flattering length. Leather or suede is best, and neutral shades like taupe, navy, or burgundy keep it refined. A well-chosen crossbody frees your hands but maintains elegance. Perfect for travel, shopping, or busy days when functionality matters as much as style. This bag works with coats, blazers, and dresses. It shows that comfort and style can live together. An elegant crossbody proves you can be practical without looking casual. Once you own one, you will find yourself using it constantly. Look for versions with quality metal hardware and reinforced stitching that ensure longevity. Bag Style 4. The Chic Evening Clutch. An evening outfit is never complete with a bulky day bag. A clutch is the finishing touch that instantly transforms a look. It signals that you have dressed with intention and consideration for the occasion. Choose sleek designs in leather, satin, or metallic finishes. Envelope clutches and slim rectangles are timeless. Keep the size moderate, large enough for essentials but small enough to stay elegant. It should hold your phone, cards, and lipstick without looking stuffed or distorting its shape. Every stylish woman should own at least 2. One in a neutral like black or nude, and one with a touch of shine or metallic for festive events. A clutch tells the world that you understand formality and detail. It makes even a simple black dress feel sophisticated. With the right clutch, you appear refined, polished, and fully put together. The investment is worthwhile because these pieces transcend seasonal trends. Bag Style 5. The medium shoulder bag. Large shoulder bags can overwhelm you, and tiny ones feel impractical. The perfect middle ground is the medium shoulder bag. It is big enough to be useful, but small enough to stay elegant. This balance is crucial for maintaining proportions that flatter rather than overpower. This bag sits neatly under the arm, balancing your proportions. Look for clean shapes, soft but structured leather, and classic colors like black, tan, cream, or navy. Hardware in silver or gold adds quiet refinement. Avoid chains that clank or overly ornate details that date quickly. The medium shoulder bag is versatile. It transitions from daytime errands to evening outings. Pair it with trousers for business or dresses for social settings. It is the bag that blends into your wardrobe and makes dressing easier. Over time, it becomes the reliable piece you reach for daily. Many women discover this becomes their most used bag because it truly works for almost every occasion. Bag Style 6. The refined bucket bag. The bucket bag is often misunderstood. In soft fabric, it looks casual, but in structured leather, it becomes elegant and modern. The secret is a firm base that keeps the shape upright. Without proper structure, bucket bags can collapse and appear sloppy. Choose leather versions with minimal decoration. Camel, ivory, or navy are timeless shades, while bold colors like red or green make a chic statement. A good bucket bag carries all your essentials without looking sloppy. The drawstring or closure should be functional yet discreet. This bag adds a modern twist without being loud. It feels youthful, confident, and functional. It shows that you follow style without chasing trends. Many women over 50 overlook this design, which is exactly why it feels fresh and distinctive when you carry it. The bucket bag proves that contemporary style can be sophisticated and age-appropriate simultaneously. Bag Style 7. The timeless satchel. A satchel is one of the most reliable and ageless bag styles for women over 50. It has structure, presence, and a shape that never dates. With top handles and often a shoulder strap, it gives flexibility. This dual carrying option makes it exceptionally practical for various situations. Look for smooth leather, minimal hardware, and medium size. Chocolate brown, navy, stone, or ivory are versatile and chic. The satchel works in professional settings, casual weekends, and even travel. Pair it with denim for intentional polish, or with dresses for timeless refinement. The satchel proves that elegance and practicality can exist together. It is the bag that adapts to every part of your lifestyle while always keeping you elegant. This versatility makes it an excellent investment piece that earns its place in your wardrobe year after year. These are the 7 bag styles that make women over 50 look elegant and timeless. But style is more than just the right bag. In another video, I reveal 10 wardrobe essentials that every woman over 50 needs to look effortlessly chic.